What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of Granola AI and what it's best used for. Granola AI is an AI-powered meeting notes tool designed to help you capture, summarize, and understand conversations without stressing about taking notes in real time. It works by listening to meetings and turning them into clean, structured summaries. One of Granola's biggest strengths is how natural and lightweight it feels. It doesn't interrupt your meetings or force you into rigid templates. You just focus on the conversation, and Granola takes care of organizing the key points, decisions, and action items afterward. The summaries are clear and easy to scan, which makes it great for follow-ups, sharing notes with teammates, or quickly reviewing what was discussed. It's especially useful for people in meetings all day, like founders, managers, and remote teams. Granola also does a good job of pulling out action items and important moments, so you don't have to dig through long transcripts. It feels more like a smart note-taking assistant than a raw transcription tool. That said, Granola isn't meant for deep analytics or complex workflow automation. It's focused on clarity and simplicity, rather than heavy customization or integrations. Overall, Granola AI is a great tool if you want clean, automatic meeting notes without friction. If you're tired of scrambling to write things down during meetings, it's definitely worth checking out. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.